Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 14th, 2025, and we're diving into Boot Barn's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter and fiscal year 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Boot Barn has delivered some impressive numbers this quarter, and I'm excited to break them down with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Boot Barn reported net sales of $453.7 million for the fourth quarter, a 16.8% increase year over year. John, what drove this growth?
The growth in net sales was primarily driven by a 6% increase in same-store sales, with retail stores up 5.5% and e-commerce up 9.8%. The company also opened 21 new stores, which contributed to the sales boost.
And how did this translate to profitability?
Boot Barn's net income for the quarter was $37.5 million, up 27.6% from the previous year. The adjusted earnings per share came in at $1.22, slightly below the forecast of $1.24 from 7 analysts. This was largely due to increased gross profit margins and effective cost management.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. How did Boot Barn manage to improve its gross profit margins?
The gross profit for the quarter was $168.6 million, or 37.1% of net sales, up from 35.9% last year. This improvement was driven by a 210 basis point increase in merchandise margin rate, thanks to supply chain efficiencies and better buying economies of scale.
Looking ahead, what is Boot Barn's outlook for fiscal year 2026?
Boot Barn is projecting total sales between $2.07 billion and $2.150 billion, representing growth of 8% to 13%. They plan to open 65 to 70 new stores, which should further bolster their market presence.
Strategic initiatives and share repurchase program. Boot Barn has been expanding aggressively. Can you tell us more about their strategic initiatives?
Absolutely. Boot Barn opened 60 new stores in fiscal year 2025, bringing their total to 459. This expansion is part of their strategy to increase market penetration and brand presence across the U.S.
And what about their share repurchase program?
The company announced a $200 million share repurchase program, which is a strong signal of confidence in their future prospects. This move is likely to enhance shareholder value and reflects their robust financial position.
Key takeaways. To wrap up, Boot Barn has delivered a strong performance in fiscal year 2025 with significant growth in both sales and profitability. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Boot Barn's strategic expansion and strong financials make it an attractive investment. Their focus on operational efficiencies and shareholder returns through the repurchase program are positive indicators for future growth.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Boot Barn's performance in the comments below.